Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. You can shut the door, it's a little quiet.
Woo. How's it going?
What's up, man? What's your name and full intro?
Alright, so my name is Brandon Otis with Good Vibrations Audio. My brother Corey with Otis Designs built the subs. Unfortunately, these subs don't like keeping dust caps on, but we have a 2000 Blazer. Initially, it used to be Robert from 772 Customs. He did the cage. Used to be 4th order for 615s. Now it's a 6th order for 415s. I wanted to play the lows. So it's 4 Sundown Team Neo 15s on 2 Soundigital 12Ks, wired lower than I'm supposed to. Wired in half, but oh well.
Okay.
C-Max 60 amp hour battery is what I have for electrical. 2 370s under the hood, charging at about 15.5, 15.6. Then I have a stock alternator to charge the truck side of things so that it's all separate. Some McLarens in the doors. 3 6.5s, 1 8, 2 tweeters per door on it's an old MTX Thunder amp. I don't even know the model number of it, but just some random 4-channel that I have laying around. Plexi loading wall.
I like it, dude. That thing is thick too.
Thanks, man.
It looks really good. You did a good job, man.
Thanks, man. What else? My AC works really good in here.
Yep.
I got a backup camera that's on all the time.
I saw that. Yep.
That's really nice. For
solid
driving.
bracing too.
Yeah, I've got a windshield bracing here.
What did you say it was tuned to?
The low side is 25, high side is 50.
50. Okay,
so,
got it. Half an octave between the two. Awesome.
Exactly. Series Tune 6. Thanks for always making videos, man.
No problem, man.
We sit there late at night watching your videos
I
all
appreciate
the time,
it.
dude.
Yes, sir. Thanks, man. No problem. Yeah, they like it. They'll like your build. Can I see your alternator?
Yeah, of course.
It's loud. Nice to meet you too.
Thank you, dude.
Yes, sir.
Whole vent on these, so it builds up a ton of pressure behind the cap and it just knocks them off.
What are they rated at?
5K.
Wow. Okay. That's how it's taking the power.
Ain't gonna hurt you. This one will hurt you, but Corey's lit on fire. You can hear this.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That was really windy. Yeah, man. How you doing? Really? Wow, look at that. That's solid.
I passed him. It's solid. I was like, what? I know that guy. I already looked at the door button here, right? So I'm taking the rear one.
Come in.
I'm working on trying to get my phone.
Oh, you give me a port demo.
It's the best demo.
Yeah. nice voice.
Let's see.
So is this yours?
No, it's Rain and Otis.
Okay.
For Good Vibration Audio.
What happened to that subwoofer?
The dust cap flew off yesterday.
Oh no.
But it's still good.
Okay. Musical, you smell them a little bit. Woo. Thank you. That was good. Good experience.
Yeah, I sold the rodeo, dude, and I bought a Nissan Xterra. Just to drive.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.